Welcome to Forex Trading with the Economic Calendar and Gold Level Indicator by WA Courses. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing I want to do is have my MT4 opened in front of me. And then I'll go on to the uk.investing.com website. And I've actually subscribed to this website. It's a very good website for getting technical analysis on Forex, commodities, and shares. So it's a free website to subscribe to. Once you go onto this website and you subscribe, you can go on to the technical section here and click on the technical summary. And you'll be presented with this screen right here. And what you want to do is come onto this section and click on the overview. And you'll be presented with the Forex section here. And if you click on customize, you'll be able to see the various columns to select. So you've got 4 columns in total. And these columns will show you the time frame. So you can select the various time frames that you want to be displayed. And of course, you can add all your currency pairs. Now, what happens once you've done that is you click the apply button here, and you'll be able to see the various currencies with the time frames displayed for the various currencies. Now, this is very good. It helps you to see the trajectory of the trades and to see what has actually happened with this currency. So if I take, for instance, the NZD JPY, you can see that we have a strong buy across the 5 minutes time frame, the 15 minutes, the hourly, and the daily. So the trajectory of this trade, or rather this currency, is a strong buy. So we have this as a good indicator that we will be having a strong buy. And here for NZD CHF, we've got a strong sell. So this shows us that we have a strong sell, okay? So this is one of the ways to be able to ascertain the direction of a currency pair. We want to go onto the website called indicatorspot.com. And once we're there, we just want to search for gold level indicator. And once we've done that, we click on it here. And then we can click the download button here and then download the indicator. Once we've downloaded the indicator, you can now copy it from wherever it has been downloaded to in your computer. And then you go onto your MT4, click on File, and then Open Data Folder. And then go into MQL4 and click on the indicators folder here. And then you can paste it in here. Now, because I've done that before, I have it here, gold level indicator. I don't need to do it again. So once you've done that, you just click the X button and you come into your indicators section here and just click the refresh. So you'd refresh that just to ensure that the indicator becomes visible for you to see. And there we have it. Once you've done that, you can just drag and then drop it in here and then click the OK button. And then that's all. Now, I'm not going to click the OK button because I already have it installed. So I'll just click an X. But if you're doing this for the first time, you can just click the OK, and then that should be fine. And there you have it. So now, once you've done that, you'll see on your screen something that looks like this. So you see here we have a yellow line here and the word pivot. And at the top here, we have a green line and we have the word buy, and we have sell just below here. Now, in the line here, we can see the chart and the candlesticks, it's going right up all the way to the top. And it's just gone above this buy line here that the indicator shows us. So this is indicating that this currency pair is heading towards a strong buy. So at this stage, what we want to do is we want to buy, get into the market and buy. Now, if we were to see it in the opposite direction, where the candlesticks are going down and it goes below this pivot point and it hits the sell line, that's an indication that it's time to sell. So you want to sell this currency pair when you see that. So this tool enables you to actually see the trajectory of the currency pair, to know what direction it is heading to, and also to know what to do. So when it goes above the pivot line and into this buy line here and above the buy line, or just when it gets to the buy line, you know that it's time to buy. And when it goes below the pivot line and it starts to touch this green sell line here, we know that it's time to sell. So it's a relatively straightforward tool and easy to use. Very good tool to enable you to know the trend of a currency pair and to know when to get into the market and potentially when to exit the market. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to receive free trading signals, please find the link below this video to join our Telegram channel to receive free trading signals. If you'd like to learn more about Forex trading, please find the link below this video to sign up to our Forex Trading Mastery course.